When my horn starts to look and feel dirty, it changes the way that I feel about playing it. Here's the process that I use to clean my instrument. Grab a few towels, some small, some big, some old t-shirts, a polishing cloth, gloves, a snake, Q-tips, balloons, Haggerty's spray polish, Flitz polish, Brasso, cleaning brushes, paper towels, valve oil, and some slide grease. I'll explain what everything is once it's time to use it. The goal is to clean all of the gunk from the inside of the horn, but it's also to get rid of the tarnish, watermarks, and anything else that makes the horn not look good. Start by taking the horn apart, keeping everything organized in the process. I always like to line up my valves in order. If a screw to your instrument is disassembled, you'll really be able to see how dirty everything is. I clean my horn all the time and it's still filthy. Fill up a bathtub with warm water and a little bit of soap. Place everything except the valves in the tub, and your goal should be to have everything fully submerged. The water will start to look a little dirty. That's a good thing. It means all of the gunk inside of your horn is starting to loosen up. Let it soak for about 30 minutes and then start to clean it with your snake and your cleaning brush. Now take your time with this and be really thorough. It will take a few passes to get everything out. Once you're done, empty the water and make sure no dirt is left in the tub. Fill it again with some warm water and let it soak for another 30 minutes. While you're waiting, go ahead and set up a station where you'll finish cleaning the horn. Lay out a big towel and bring all of the cleaning materials nearby. Give everything in the bath a final rinse and then lay it out on the towel. Once everything is there, dry it off and dry it off really well. This is a very important step. If you skip this step or you don't do it well, it makes polishing down the line much harder. Once you have hand dried the instrument, leave everything to air dry for just a few minutes. Go ahead and grab your valves and clean them over a sink. Use a brush to get into every crevice, making sure that they're completely clean and free of any gunk. Set them out to dry when you're done. Now hopefully you'll notice after the bath, the whole instrument is already looking a lot better. But we want to do the reassembling process with the bottom caps. I put a touch of grease on the threads to prevent them from sticking in the future. I then put the springs back in, oil the valves, put them back in place, and work them for a moment. Next up is the slides. Put a little bit of slide grease on each tube. Work each one individually and then work it as a whole. Wipe off any grease that builds up on the outside with a paper towel afterwards. Once the instrument is back together, grab a polishing cloth and give the horn a final wipe down. And that's it. I picked up